Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
445 divided by 5.
Anyone? Anyone?
Dividing big numbers by 5 can be a bit of a headache. But don't worry, help is on its way in the form of a strategy I call FIVE-IDING. The secret is to double both sides before you divide. Double 445 is 890, and double 5 is 10. That looks a lot better. 890 divided by 10 is a piece of cake. To divide a number by 10, all you need to do is to move the numbers one place to the right. 890 divided by 10 is 89. So this means that 445 divided by 5 is also 89. What a really good strategy this is. Let's look at another example. We're about to see how FIVE-IDING can also be used when dividing by 50. 1,700 divided by 50.
So you think you got what it takes?
Once again, to make this easier for ourselves, all we need to do is to double both sides. Double 1,700 is 3,400, and double 50 is 100. 3,400 divided by 100 is super easy. Just move the numbers 2 positions to the right. So 3,400 divided by 100 makes 34, which means that 1,700 divided by 50 is also 34. Use FIVE-IDING when dividing by 5 or 50 and you'll become a dividing champion. Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.